out my ABCs with the YZ. I paint with different colors and never in the lines. There isn't any other. I am the prototype.
Hello you guys. So I took up this one brand makeup challenge and this is the look that I've come up with, and I don't know if you guys can see it or not. So it's basically this really nice sparkly eyeshadow. If you're keen on knowing how I did it, then please keep on watching the video. So I'm starting off with primer because it's really important to prep your skin before makeup, and I'm using a flat top kabuki brush and my fingers to blend it in. So I'm using the Fit Me liquid foundation as well as the stick foundation. For the liquid foundation, I'm taking some of it on my hand and then applying it to my face. And as for the stick foundation, I'm directly putting it on my face and blending it in. I've noticed that when I use these two products together, I get a much better coverage than what I get when I use them individually. These are the brushes that I'm using throughout the video to blend my base makeup. Now I'm going to take the Age Rewind concealer and put it under my eyes as well as on my brow bone. Now I'm going to use this particular brush to blend the concealer in because it's smaller than the previous brush, right? So it's a bit more precise. And I'm also going to put this concealer on my eyelid so that it acts as a nice clean canvas for the eyeshadows to sit on. And now I'm just going to set all of that with this compressed powder. Moving on to blush, I'm just going to use this liquid lipstick because it's A, long lasting, B, a really pretty color. How can I say no to that? So I'm just going to put some of it on my cheeks and 2 dots of it on my nose because why not? And just blend it in. Now just to add some definition, I'm just going to take the same stick foundation I used earlier but in a different shade, and I'm just going to highlight my cheekbones with it. Now I'm not that good at contouring my face, so don't judge my skills, but I'm just like going with the flow. And I'm going to blend that with this really cute brush that I found at Westside. I don't know what it's supposed to do, but I think it can blend this, so I'm going to use that. Now for my eyes, I'm going to use these two Real Techniques brushes. They're really good and they blend everything so effortlessly. I'm going to take that light pink or beige pink or whatever pink that is and use it as a transition shade on my entire lid. Now I'm going to take this other pink, which is from the same family as the previous transition shade, and put it on the outer part of my lid. Here comes the fun part. I'm going to dig into this super pretty, sparkly, shimmery pink shade and put it all over my lid. You know what's the best part about this? You can totally wear it every day and pull it off. It's not too out there, you know. And I can't emphasize on how pretty it is. Since I'm in the mood to play with colors, I'm gonna also use this really pretty, like, it's not too sparkly, but it has a little bit of glitter in it. I'm gonna use this copper shade from this different palette and just put it on the outer corner of my eye and just blend the two shimmers together. Now the key to perfect this eye look, or for that matter any eye look that you're doing, is to blend. You really need to take your time with blending all the colors that you've used so that it's even toned and just in a nice smooth manner. Since I'm really scared of eyeliner but I'm kinda in the mood to wear eyeliner, I'm gonna wear this black eyeshadow that was in the palette and put it on my lid with a brush. Also, I'm not gonna do any wings or anything because I just want to play it a little safe. Now another reason as to why I don't want to wear that eyeliner, which I find really pretty by the way, is because it just, you know, once you put it on, it won't budge. Like no matter what I do, it just won't like it won't move. It's like it's tattooed there for a while. But when I use an eyeshadow, I can sort of smudge it out and correct my mistakes. So that is another one of the reasons why I am using an eyeshadow today. Now I'm just gonna curl my lashes and try not to cry while doing that. This is hands down one of the best mascaras I've ever used, and what makes it special is the wand and the way it is shaped, and the bristles are so precise that it separates each lash and coats them evenly and makes them look very voluminous and pretty. Cream-based highlighter because I'm in the mood to use that today, so I'm just gonna put it on my cheeks, my nose, and my brow bone. So as for lipstick, I'm just taking the Maybelline Superstay Ink Crayon range in the shade Enjoy the View number 20. To top it off, I'm using another lipstick in the creamy matte range that Maybelline has to offer. This is in the shade Raw Chocolate 560.
If it's love that you need, you can't take it from me, 'cause I'm the one who's giving it up. And I know it's been hard, but you
Now I'm using the Master Fix setting spray to lock everything in place.
giving it up.
That is all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. It really means a lot, and I will see you guys in the next video. I literally finished all this in one day. I probably should stop eating that, but I can't. I should not put that on YouTube.